Hello, scholars. This is Mr. A.G. from Newman Smith High School. I teach Business Information Management 1 and 2, Professional Communications, and I'm one of the two debate coaches here at Newman Smith. Our mission at Newman Smith is to graduate all scholars to be college, career, or military ready without remediation, and quite frankly, improving your technology skills is a really great way, I think, to prepare yourself. So in the business information management classes, it's a year-long course. There's a BIM 1 and a BIM 2. We embraced a digital curriculum this year that will increase your technology proficiency by allowing you to use several different software packages and programs: Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, several different types of Google products. We use Canvas to interface with our assignments at school, and at the end there are some opportunities for Microsoft certification in both Excel and Word. Another thing that it's important to me is your keyboarding. Your skill improvement, I think you will see a big difference at the end of the class. We use what's called home row to improve our keyboarding skills. We use a couple of different programs for accuracy and speed. As you can see here, I typed 100 words a minute last week. Looks like Christian typed 97, and the current record is held by Jacob. He typed 115. The other class I teach is Professional Communications. I was inducted into the Hall of Fame for my work in speech and debate, and I say that just to let you know that I think I can help you with your confidence. You may be doing your first spreadsheet, your first resume, your first business letter in this class. We'll learn several things like workplace technology, different types of communication and leadership styles, things about ethics, workplace issues, group communications, and other relevant issues. And if you'd like some more practice in professional communications, I suggest that you join debate. This is also a one-semester class. So I look forward to meeting some of you and hope that you will come be part of a Trojan family and participate in our CTE classes. Bye.